Hello everybody, today I wanna have my rear tires replaced on my BMW F01 a 2010 750i. I'm going to have my tires replaced from Goodyear Eagle F1 to Hankook Vitus V12 Evo 2. The reason why I'm replacing my tires on my BMW is because they wear from the inside and it's time to replace them. My local tire supplier didn't allow me to record them while they were doing the job, so I couldn't actually record when they were actually replacing the tires. So I missed that part and sorry for that. The reason why I switched to the Hankook Vitus V12 is because of the price. And my local tire supplier doesn't offer warranty on performance tires. So it was not worth it to pay twice as much for the Goodyear and not getting any warranty with it. So I decided to go to the Hankook Vitus. Anyway, my local tire supplier offers free lifetime tire repair and free lifetime tire rotation, which is good. So why my local tire supplier doesn't offer warranty in this Vitus or in the Goodyear Eagle is because they're rotational. They have a direction. So as you can see here, they have a rotation mark where they're supposed to go installed, so they cannot go backwards. So that's the reason why they don't offer any warranty on them. After driving the car for around 10 miles at speed around 65 miles per hour, I don't feel any shaking sensation, any vibration, which is good, and the tire pressure monitor looks okay. That means that the tire replacement was successfully done with no problems. Now it's time to stop and visually inspect the tires to see how they are after the first 10 miles of driving. So after driving 10 miles, the tire wear looks okay, doesn't look to have any uneven wear or any problems with the tread. So the tire replacement was very successful. The problem with the Hankook Vitus V12 is that they don't offer a round flat tire, which is a risk on this vehicle because you don't have a spare tire. And knowing then you don't have no spare tire, that means then you actually have to have a roadside assistant on your vehicle. But in my case, I don't drive my vehicle that much, so I decided to go with these tires because I don't go that far with it anyway, so I won't spend that much money on it. And plus, the Hankook Vitus V12 offer low rolling resistance, which can improve my fuel economy and get better mileage per gallon. Still, I save over $400 by replacing my tires to Hankook instead Goodyear Eagle, and I can use those $400 to do other maintenance or repairs to my car or replace the front tires in case they need to be replaced. If the tire you replace is still in a good condition, you can request to bring them back to home and place them online in apps like OfferUp and Craigslist and get some money back. After reselling them, you can at least get $80 to $120 back from your used tires. Now just remember to keep a really good tire pressure. Now then you don't have a round flat tire, because if you go flat you can actually destroy your vehicle on the road. So make sure to inspect your tire pressure monitor often to see if there is any low tire, and if there's any low air tire, you should add some to prevent any damage to your vehicle. So remember, You can replace your tires from run flat tires to non-run flat tires and save some money doing that. But in the process, you have to keep in mind then you have no spare tires on your trunk. So you have to be very careful where you go, and I have a really good roadside assistant that can help you. So pretty much that's all I'm gonna talk about. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day.